All right, today in the studio we're going to be making a lobby arrangement in this very tall vase using yellow oranges, a little bit of larkspur, some cottonwood branches, some of our garden hypericum, some silver dollar eucalyptus, some locally grown pink peonies, and I think that's all of it. So we'll try to get you a good angle here. We'll get some time lapse going on. Enjoy anaturaldesign.com. And here we have it, one finished lobby piece by anaturaldesign.com. And we used silver dollar eucalyptus, we used peonies, we used orange roses, hypericum, orchids, phalaenopsis I believe, some larkspur, and some cottonwood branches. So it's supposed to be really tall so that when people walk in the lobby, it's the first thing they see.